This walkthrough builds a local Gitea environment with FlyEnv. Gitea is a lightweight, self-hosted Git service for repositories, access control, issues, and pull requests. For personal work, internal teams, and offline development, it keeps source code collaboration close to your own environment. Here, FlyEnv brings the application, database, web proxy, and startup workflow into one local workspace. First, add the Gitea project and choose the local runtime details it needs. A Git service also needs persistent storage for accounts, repositories, permissions, and configuration. Use FlyEnv's database module to start MySQL and create a dedicated database for Gitea. The database workspace keeps local service versions, status, and project data easier to manage in one place. Now open the Gitea installer and enter the database connection, server address, and administrator details. This initialization step turns the downloaded application into a working Git service backed by MySQL. After setup, sign in to the Gitea dashboard and verify that the service is ready for local users and projects. A repository gives the team a shared remote for pushing code, reviewing changes, and tracking work around the project. The administration area centralizes user, repository, and site-level settings for a self-hosted instance. With a local SMTP service, FlyEnv can also support testing mail-dependent flows such as invitations, resets, and notifications. Next, configure Nginx as the reverse proxy in front of the local Gitea service. A reverse proxy gives the application a clean browser address while keeping its internal port behind the web server. Enable HTTPS for an encrypted browser connection and a setup that more closely reflects a deployed service. The browser now reaches Gitea through the configured address, where the project workspace remains available. Finally, create a FlyEnv startup group for the Gitea environment. Add the services that belong together, including Gitea, MySQL, and Nginx. The group records the environment as one repeatable unit instead of a collection of manually started services. That means a local Git platform, its data layer, and its web entry point can be restored together with one action. With FlyEnv, Gitea becomes part of a manageable local development stack, ready for the next project or team workflow.